President Uhuru Kenyatta has told members of parliament to follow the law and take the salary determined by the Salaries Commission. Uhuru says the Salaries and Remuneration Commission is the only body mandated by law to set salary scales for all state officers, including MPs. And as KTN's Rita Tinina reports, the president fired the salvo as the commission on the implementation of the constitution announced it would institute legal proceedings against any officer who approves payment to MPs outside the set limits.
Members of Parliament may have been unanimous in their resolve to revoke a Gazette notice that reduced their salaries, but it is not a done deal yet.
It's not going to stop us from doing our job.
The SRC maintains the Constitution vests in it the sole mandate to set and review salaries and benefits of state officers. And on that one, it has the backing of the President. In a statement, President Uhuru Kenyatta says while acknowledging the independence of Parliament, the Constitution explicitly mandates the SRC to set and review the salaries of all state officers.
The Constitution is supreme, and therefore no act can supersede the provisions of the Constitution.
The action of the National Assembly to revoke the said Gazette notices is of no legal effect or consequence.
The Commission on the Implementation of the Constitution argues that MPs broke the law when they voted to revoke the Gazette notice by the SRC.
The express provision of Article 122, Sub-Article 3 of the Constitution was not respected. That article provides that a member shall not vote on any question in which the member has a pecuniary interest.
The SRC and the CIC argue that anyone who effects new salaries for MPs other than what was set by the SRC will be breaking the law
and faces the risk of being held liable for abuse of office and aiding in the misuse of public funds,
and should be declared not eligible to hold public office.
The CIC has now written to the Parliamentary Service Commission, the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury, the Controller of Budget and the Attorney General over the MP's pay controversy. The CIC says it will not only institute legal proceedings in court against officers who approve MP's salaries.
Any monies paid as remuneration or a benefit to a state officer, other than in accordance with the terms set by SRC, will be recoverable from such state officer.
With the MP's salaries now down to constitutional interpretation, the SRC, it appears, has the law on its side, and MPs may not be smiling all the way to the bank just yet. Rita, Tinina, KTN, Nairobi.